Hey, it's me, Lady V. Let me show you how I made a two-tier ruched sleeve. So here is what I usually do in my iPad. As you can see the illustration, I have created a template, as in it's a 22 by 16 inch piece of fabric folded in half, and there will be 3 channels, elastic for the top of your shoulder, the elbow, and the wrist. And then you might want to pause to get those measurements as well. You're definitely going to need 3 pieces of elastic, and you'll be inserting it into the sleeve to get this look. So what you do is you take your pattern, you make sure you have your elastic and the fabric of your choice. As you can see, these are the channels. Cut that out and cut out your elastic pieces. And this is the easiest part. What I do for my channels, I pinch them about 1 inch and I pin them down. Make sure you pin them down to create that channel. After you've pinned them down, you're going to take those 3 sections or 2 sections and you're going to sew them down. First you sew the actual channel, and then you flip it over because it'll be a little puff, and then you're going to sew the other side down and your channel will be complete. Next off, you're going to get you a pin or whatever type of turning tool that you use, and you're going to thread your elastic through the channels. Here's my elastic. I'm going to feed it right through that channel, and as you feed it through, it should create that ruching effect. Once you are done, it'll look something like this, but on the wrong side, because you got to complete the sleeve by sewing it all the way down. So when you flip it on the right side, it'll definitely look like this. Now let's see how our puff looks. Being that this is a nice soft cottony fabric, it's got a lot of drape and a lot of flow to it, so it won't be super poofy. But with more structured fabric, it will be extremely poofy the bigger you make the pattern pieces. I hope this helps someone. See you in my next video.